Yeah, man, yeah, it's so much going on. I don't really know what I want to talk about. But this might be a little lengthy. But just wanted to talk to the people tonight. Um, I guess I'm gonna start off with Larry Hoover, man. I see the courts denied him. You know, I don't know if he was trying to get time off on his sentence or just trying to get released in general through the First Step Act, that Trump had put in the law for, a lot of people's incarcerated in federal prison, you know, you know. He was denied, I guess that motion and trying to be released up under the First Step Act. What I think about that, a lot of people think that who gonna get out of here and he gonna make black people more militant than young black men more militant than they already are. Man, who was an old man that's trying to get out and live the twilight of his life. Hoover, I can't speak for him, but I can imagine he probably been sitting back in behind those walls all these years saying to saying to himself, man, I hate like hell I ever participated in any of this shit. Look what it cost me. My family, my freedom. Then I'm looking at what's going on with young people today and man, they not gonna hear me. I'm too out of touch. What worked for me and mine back then ain't gonna work with these youngsters. So and I hate that he caught up in a situation like that, you know, uh, because I feel like if you are an older person in your 70s, 80s, you spend all this time in jail. I mean, shit, what you gonna do out here? What can you do out here? But get out of people's way. There's nothing that you can do out here. There's nothing that you can say to really affect much change out here, not in today's society. So, I have my own thoughts as to why he will remain incarcerated. You know, uh, only a real God that I understand will allow him to ever break free of those prison chains that are shackled around him. I doubt he'll ever be released. But, you know, I do feel like if you done gave these people 40, 50 years, and you in your 70s and 80s, shit, if you didn't die there with everything that was thrown at you, shit, let them live the last few years out here. I mean, but the powers that be, still feel like he might motivate, an uprising and man, that man just trying to live the twilight of his years with his kids, grandkids, great grandkids. I'm sure man, I'm sure that man is terribly sorry for all. that he's done. But, you know, I wish the chairman the best, man, and hope that he's able to see freedom before he leave this world on the outside. That's my take on him. Then I'd like to share on a cat, man, I'm not real familiar with a lot of these West Coast cats that put in work in these streets. But I was looking at the death of a guy by the name of OG Lil Bop, and he was highly respected. I saw him in a lot of Watts Homer Quan's videos, the comedian out of LA. When I saw him in a lot of his videos, and then I saw him, speak on a positive tip, and you know, man, these youngsters are killing the message. I know he probably did a lot of things in the streets. If you out here in these streets, you got to pay for what you did. And as always, when people are really trying to change their lives, when their lives are taken, and but what what these people don't be realizing when this shit happens is that you're taking away messages in the community, man. Messages that we gonna need for survival. We're getting these messages taken away from us. Young people don't, they got their own message though, and it's with the pistol, but you can't live by pistol alone. There's gonna be a time, man, you gonna have to live through black and white. There's gonna be a time you're gonna have to live through knowledge, through some kind of goddamn sense other than the bringing up of weapons. You're gonna need some guidance, man. And if you killing the messengers, if you killing them off, you ain't gonna have a message, man, to carry you through. I don't know why. Can't get into none of that. All I'm saying is that our messengers are leaving us. People with messages are leaving us, and we're gonna be in bad shape without a message. So much has happened, man, within the past 2 weeks. It's just, the famous twins, because of shit they had going on, it caused them to lose their father, and other people that had nothing to do with their situation getting shot. We're not going to be able to always solve our problems through violence, man. We ain't going to be able to always do it. And we still failing to realize who running shit here. You know, I talk to a lot of people, young people, because I want to know what they think. You know what I'm saying? I want them to know what I think. And sometimes they listen to what I say, and Sometimes I listen to what they say. Sometimes, we don't draw, but when we do, I don't try to force what I believe on anybody. I just see shit differently than anybody else. Everybody sees shit differently in this world. And it just appears to me that we failing to realize who really in power and in charge here. And all this shit that we got going on, the ignorant shit can be terminated at any time. With that being said, people need to start listening to some of these messages out here. I just thought, man, that I would throw something out there tonight, having, you know, spoke on anything in a minute, you know. I'm going to try my best, to start being more consistent with this. Until next time.